Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make curry chicken sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1.5 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken, a good quality curry powder, and 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. Don't forget fresh ginger, garlic, and an onion. These foundational elements are crucial for a rich and authentic taste. Prepare your chicken by cutting it into 1-inch pieces. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of oil in a large pot or Dutch oven over medium heat. Add your diced onions and cook until they are translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, stir in the minced ginger and garlic, cooking for another minute until fragrant. Next, add 2 tablespoons of your favorite curry powder and any other desired spices, toasting them briefly. Now add your chicken pieces to the pot and brown them lightly for about 5 minutes. This step helps seal in the juices. Next, pour in 1 can of full-fat coconut milk and 1/2 cup of chicken broth. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot and let it cook for 20 to 25 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, check the chicken for tenderness and the sauce for consistency. If it's too thick, add a splash more broth. If too thin, simmer uncovered for a few more minutes. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt, pepper, or a touch of sugar to balance the flavors. Garnish with fresh cilantro and serve your delicious curry chicken sauce hot over fluffy rice or with warm naan bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.